Hey, welcome back with some more Japanese tools. I just got back from another trip to Japan a couple weeks ago and hit up Factory Gear, which is a awesome tool shop in Japan, multiple locations. I went to the Tokyo location and Factory Gear. I've been wanting to go there for a long time. I didn't go last time. Got a nice little haul here, and they're proud of their offerings and Joshitsu Kogu, so it's high quality tools, is what they're saying. Let's see if it's true. So, yeah, Factory Gear, Tokyo store. I spent 26,000 yen, so something like 175 bucks, something like that. And let's start off with the ratchet I got. This is the Roto Head ratchet from KTC, long handle model. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I like my ratchets long, if possible, in general. So, beautiful tool, great finishing, knurled detail here and an ergonomic design, but really stylistic as well. This one, the finishing is not as perfect as a Nepros ratchet, which is their high-end brand. Here's a Nepros ratchet right here, and the chrome is a little glossier, deeper gloss, a little slightly better finishing, but they're extremely expensive. This one was I don't know, probably 60 bucks, something like that, 70, 80, something like that. It's hard to know for sure. I'd have to go back and look. Switching mechanism feels good. Ratcheting mechanism feels okay. Got that cool roto head. Hasamikomi chui, so pinching hazard. Be careful. Don't put your fingers in there and get pinched. I guess you could get pinched right there. So, pretty cool tool. I'm ready to put that to use. Let's see how it fits a Nepros socket. So, feels pretty good. Maybe a Koken socket. Very positive feeling. I think I'm going to like it. Oh, there's the price right there. 10,000 yen, so probably like 80 bucks, something like that. And moving on, see what else we got in here. I got a Three Peaks locking plier, vice grips type plier, 130 millimeter length, just a small set. And yeah, let's take a look at it. Rokushite, what is that? Hazuseru. So you can lock and remove it. So I guess you maybe lock and unlock sort of, which is obvious, I guess. But Three Peaks, I've been wanting some of these for a while. Made in Japan. Has the adaptation for if you want to do your tightening with a hex key or something. This one has the cutout in the jaws, in the front of the jaw, so you can clamp onto round objects like a bolt or something, or the head of a screw. So that's pretty neat. You can clamp onto round objects from the front of the jaws. So just a little fun tool to have in the box. Cool little design. Let's see what else we got. I got a Koken locking extension bar. Beautiful finishing, as with all the Koken items. Gorgeous, beautifully made. And let's see how it fits on here. Very positive. And let's see how that locking mechanism works. So it's not coming off of there, just what we want. And the collar pulls back, so easy to use, very beautifully made. Koken really goes above and beyond with a lot of their stuff. They make very high quality items. Moving on, I got some Dean J. So their house brand is Dean. And that's Factory Gear's own house brand. So a lot of their tools are branded that way. They don't think they make any tools themselves, but they have items branded for them. So these are cut resistant gloves from Dean J. Did not try these on before. They fit fine. Yeah, I like a nicer tight fit for these kind of gloves. So they're just kind of souvenirs from my Tokyo Factory Gear adventure. And these I've wanted for a while. These are Tsubosan files. Dean, I guess, did a collaboration with them, so they are have a Dean logo on there. So Dean, made in Japan by Tsubosan. So Tsubosan made these. Nihonsei, so they're made in Japan. Looks like 5,900 yen for this 3-piece set. And these have that bright finish, which is the, I guess, I'm assuming it's a chrome finish. And chrome has pretty good release properties for plastics and metals. And so I guess the idea is to easily release metal shavings from the cutting teeth. So really cool. Looking forward to putting this to use. Keeping them in the toolbox. Little rat tail one. Dean by Tsubosan. Really pretty, got that bright finish. So looking forward to putting those to use. Really cool souvenir. I also got a couple of Dean branded drivers, plus and minus driver. They have little clips on them just for souvenir sake, so just for fun. I did pick up a little bit holster with some inch bits in there. So we got 1/4 inch down to 1/8 of an inch. And I just like this little holster. I have one actually from KTC. It looks identical, so I wonder if it's if this one's made by KTC or someone else. But branded Dean J. So that's a fun little nugget. A couple of other nuggets I got are these 90-degree adapters, which I've seen before. And been wanting some of these. I'm not saying I'm going to use these all the time, but hopefully I'll find an instance where they'll come in handy. The 3/8 drive and 1/4 inch drive, and they're calling it an Angaru adapter. So angle adapter. But I guess you can go at a 90-degree from your normal drive direction. So now I don't think these are going to work on a ratchet, but maybe you can get into somewhere that you can't normally. I don't know. If I come across a time where these really come in handy, I'll try to record it and capture my use case. So I guess, yeah, you could use this as a wrench itself into a hard to reach place, something like that. So we'll see how useful they are and if I ever actually use them. But cool nonetheless. So that is all my Factory Gear items. I did pick up somewhere else. I picked up a lobster wrench, adjustable wrench, Nihonsei, made in Japan. This is their hybrid adjustable wrench. And as you can see here, I have a smaller one of these. It's just a really nice, lightweight, adjustable wrench. This one's no different. Lightweight, very nicely made, kind of a beautiful tool. That's the Lobster, kind of famous. I believe they were founded in 1888, so an old company. Lobster Lobtex wrenches. And then I also picked up some last minute tools from the classic Family Mart. I just got a little tape measure here. This is the custom Kobo metric tape measure. So we can see there the KTC ratchet is 300 millimeters. And a little driver set. Driver seto. 8-piece driver set. And I just bought this just on a whim, but small drivers. And then I guess they fit in here for a larger handle. So kind of neat. 8 different ones. And that's my recent Japanese haul, mainly from Factory Gear. So this Factory Gear, if you're in Tokyo, it's in Shinagawa, and it's in a mall called the Seafort Square, and it's on one of those man-made islands in Tokyo Bay. It's on what's it called? Tenozu Aido, which is a man-made island with some shopping centers and some restaurants and things like that. And to get to it, I can't remember which line I took. It's the monorail. I guess it's Tokyo Monorail. It's the same one that you take to Haneda Airport from central Tokyo. So go check them out if you're ever in town. And also, if you're in the area, there's a really cool automated train that's so if you go to like Hinode Pier, there's an automated line called the Yurikamome line, and since there's no driver, you can sit in the front seat, and it goes across the Rainbow Bridge over to Odaiba, and if you go at night or after dark, it looks like a cool futuristic cityscape, and you're in the front seat on this monorail type thing. Really neat, so check it out if you're in the area of Factory Gear, and hopefully we'll be back next time with some more Japanese tools. Thanks for watching.